Ever wonder why your electric drill can bore through concrete, while a ceiling fan spins lazily overhead, even though they might use similar motors? The secret lies in one of the most fundamental concepts in mechanical engineering: gear ratios. Think of gears as mechanical transformers. Just like electrical transformers convert voltage and current, gears convert speed and torque. That motor spinning at 3,000 RPM with minimal force becomes a powerhouse rotating at just 30 RPM when paired with the right gearbox. The math is elegantly simple. A 100-to-1 gear ratio means the motor shaft spins 100 times for every single output rotation, multiplying torque by that same factor. But here's where it gets interesting. This isn't just about making things stronger or slower, it's about precision matching. Whether you're designing a robotic arm that needs delicate positioning, or industrial equipment that requires raw power, selecting the wrong gear ratio is like trying to drive a nail with a screwdriver. Technically possible, but painfully inefficient. The beauty of understanding gear ratios is that it unlocks design possibilities. Need a linear actuator for precise positioning? High ratios give you the control. Building a conveyor system? Lower ratios maintain speed while still providing adequate torque. The key is knowing that every application has its sweet spot. What many engineers overlook is that gear ratio selection impacts everything from power consumption to system longevity. Choose wisely, and your motor runs efficiently for years. Choose poorly, and you're looking at premature failures and disappointed clients. Want to dive deeper into calculating gear ratios and selecting the right configuration for your next project? Find the link in the description below to read the full article.